right, friends, we have been learning about multiplication using equal groups. We have talked about arrays, and we've done some skip counting to help us with that. We've done repeated addition. So I think let's start out with repeated addition. Make sure I have, the volume should be up.
2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2.
But it's not. There we go. Helps to push play.
Cool, silly hats. There are 4 boxes. Each box has 2 hats. How many hats do we have total? You can multiply 4 times 2 to find the answer. When you multiply, you put equal groups together to find the total. You can add a number over and over again to solve a multiplication sentence. How can you add the same number multiple times? You can solve 4 times 2 by adding 2 together 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. You can also think about it in a different way. Since it doesn't matter which order you multiply numbers, you can multiply 2 times 4. That means you add 4 together 2 times. You get the same answer. Check out Moby. Fake mustaches. We have 3 packs of mustaches. There are 2 mustaches in each pack. How many mustaches do we have in total? We can multiply 3 times 2 to find the answer. That means we add 2 together 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. We have 6 mustaches. We can also multiply 2 times 3. This means we add 3 together 2 times. We still get the same answer. We have 5 packs of silly glasses. Each pack has 3 glasses. How many do we have in all? Multiply 5 times 3. We can add 3 together 5 times. That's a lot of adding. It's easier to add 5 together 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. We have 15 silly glasses. You can use different ways to help you add a number over and over again. What other strategies can help you multiply? There are 5 packs of crayons. Each pack has 5 crayons. How many crayons are there all together? You can multiply 5 times 5, which is the same as adding 5 together 5 times. You can also draw pictures or skip count by 5s to find the answer. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You can also use a 100 chart to get the answer. Start at 0 and go up by 5 a total of 5 times. There are 25 crayons. There are 3 packs of erasers. There are 4 in each pack. How many erasers are there in all? You can multiply 3 times 4 or add 4 plus 4 plus 4. You can use a number line to solve. Start at 0 and go up by 4 a total of 3 times. We have 12 erasers in all. I can't wait to play with all this stuff. Nice, Cosmo. costume, Moby.
Okay. So now let's go to, we'll do the easy quiz.
Yes. Why don't we use the hard quiz?
We'll start out easy.
Start.
Okay.
Okay, can you see the eggs that they have here?
Yeah.
Which number sentence, is that easier to see?
Yeah.
Which number sentence shows how many eggs there are in all? Remember what in all is telling us?
Yes.
Okay, is it 6 times 2 equals 12? 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 times 6 equals 36. Or 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. So which one do you think is the best answer choice? 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 times 6 equals 36. Or 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. What are you thinking, Raylin? Which number sentence is showing this picture? So you're saying there are 36 eggs up here? Are there 36 eggs? Look at the eggs here, right here. Count with me. How many are in this group? 2, 4, 6. Okay, now count with me again. How many are in this group? 2, 4, 6. So which number sentence? There's not 6 in each group, and there's not, well, there are 6 in each group, but there's not 6 groups, are there?
No.
How many groups are there? 2. And how many are in each group?
6.
So which number sentence do you think is the right one? Reese? She thinks that it is 6 times 2 equals 12. Are there 2 groups of 6?
Yes.
If you have 6 and 6, does that give you 12?
Yes.
Okay. The next one. The art center has 3 boxes of crayons. So there's 3 groups. There are 5 crayons in each box. How many crayons are there in all? 3 plus 5. So are there 8 crayons in all? 3 times 5. Are there 15 crayons in all? 5 plus 5 plus 3 equals 13 crayons in all. Or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12 crayons in all. Which number sentence is the correct one that shows the information in that picture? Lucas?
3 times 5.
Agree or disagree with him? He's thinking it is B. Thumbs up, agree. Thumbs down, disagree. Okay, let's see if he's right. Thumbs up, good job. Okay. Oh, no picture with this one. A pack has 10 pins. So 1 pack, that's a pack, right? Has 10 pins. There are 4 packs. How many pins in each pack?
10.
10. What is the total number of pins? Is it 40, 14, 6, or 4? So think of 4 packs each one. 4 packs, 10 in each one. Are there 40 pins, 14 pins, 6 pins, or 4 pins? Natalia, let's see if her thinking is correct. Okay, Moby gets 2 bags of marbles, so 2 groups. One bag has 6 marbles. Which addition sentence shows how many marbles he has in all? But he doesn't just have one bag, right? He's got 2. So if we know there are 6 marbles in this bag, how many marbles would be in this bag? Because he has 2 bags of marbles. There's 6 bags in this, 6 bags. 6 marbles in this bag. How many marbles would be in this bag? Which one would be the correct one? 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Or 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now remember, we're talking about repeated addition, right? So this is saying there are how many bags would that be saying?
3.
Yeah, there's 3 bags on this one. Is that right? No. How many bags are they saying this one has? 3 bags again. So it's one of these 2. Which one of those 2 says that Moby has 2 bags of marbles? One bag has 6. That would tell us how many the other bag has because it's repeated addition. So is it C or D? Haley?
C.
Let's see. Like how I did that? Maybe. Good job. 6 in this bag, 6 in this bag. Which addition sentence can help you solve this multiplication sentence? 4 times 5. Is it 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 gives us 22? Is that 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 gives us a product of 25? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 gives us a product of 16? Or 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 gives us a product of 20. Think about what we have learned in multiplication sentences. What does the multiplication sign mean? Groups of. So replace that where that multiplication sign is for groups of 5. Which one of these shows us 4 groups of 5? Reese? Anybody else thinking D?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. So now what we're going to do is think about, let me go to the whiteboard. When we multiply a number times 0, do you remember what the product is? When we multiply a number times 0. What is our product? It is always what?
0.
Always 0. Remember the examples that you had written on our paper? 0 times 0 equals 0. 7 times 0 equals
0.
What if I said 1 times 0?
0
Equals 0.
0 0 0
Okay. 100 times 0
0
equals 0. No matter what number we multiply times 0, it always equals 0. Okay. Remember our other multiplication rule that we learned, the property of 1? When we multiply a number times 1,
always equal
the other number, right? But what if it's 1 times 1? Oh, it equals 1. Ooh, what if it's 1 times 0? It's 0. But what if we say it is 19 times 1? Or 24 times 1?
19
Or 1 times 6?
6
Okay, it doesn't matter what number we multiply by 1 unless it's 0. It always equals that other number, right? Okay. So, one more thing. We have practiced a lot of equal groups. We did a lot of that yesterday too with our square tiles. Okay, we're going to go back to working on making arrays. So remember, we do the rows first. Which way do rows go? This way or this way? Right, this way. These are our rows. So this array is 3 times 4. Okay, we're gonna do some practicing with arrays today. So go ahead and get your square tiles back out. They are in your desk. You want me to hang this up so that you can use it to double check if you're making your arrays correctly or not? Okay. Now, we are going to start out by making an array to represent this. Okay, so 5 groups of 3, but think about which way, whoops, that needs to go. How many rows are you making to start out? 5 rows. How many in each row?
3
Okay, go ahead and show me that array. So there's my 5 rows. Show me what needs to be done to make that array correct from there. Using your dry erase marker, write the repeated addition that goes with this array. What is it that's being repeatedly added together?
3.
Okay, so we have 3 plus 3 plus
3
plus.
plus 3
plus
plus 3.
How many times are we adding 3 together?
5.
5 times, right? So our repeated addition would be what is the sum of this repeated addition? You did the wrong array. It needs to be like this because it's 5 times 3. So this means we have 5 rows of 3. So it's saying 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. What is the total amount of square tiles that you have if you have 5 times 3? Connor?
The total is 15.
The total is 15. Okay, because we could say 3 plus 3 is 6. What's 6 plus 3 more?
6.
Or we could group it like this. Let me get a different color. How many do we have here?
6.
How many do we have here?
6.
How many do we have here?
3.
So it's like saying 12 plus that 3 more is exactly what Connor said, 15. So 5 times 3 gives us a product of 15. Okay, let's try a new one. Let's do 4 times 5. You're making an array again. Okay, so if it's an array, it's like saying 4 rows of 5. 4 rows of 5. How many needs do you need from? Okay, so we're making arrays this time, friends. So you have your tiles put together like that for your array. You have 4 rows of 5. So what is our repeated addition for this array that you just made? How many do you have going across here?
5.
Plus how many here?
5.
Plus how many here?
5.
Plus how many in this last one?
5.
Ooh, nice and easy. I can count by 5s, right? So 5, 10, 15, 20. So what does 4 times 5 equal?
20.
It also equals 20. What if, eyes looking up here, what if I flip this around, these two factors? Does that make a difference for my answer?
No.
No, it's exactly the same. So 4 times 5 equals 20, and 5 times 4 equals 20. Okay. Clear your desk. Let's go with 7 times 2. So this means 7 rows of 2. Okay, does your array look like mine?
Yes.
It should, because you have 7 rows. How many in each row? 2 in each row. So what is our repeated addition? How many do we have here?
2.
Plus how many here?
2.
Plus how many here?
2.
Plus how many here? Plus how many here? Plus how many here?
2.
And in our last row?
2.
2. Can we skip count by 2s to figure out this answer? Okay, let's skip count by 2s then. Ready? Eyes up here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So what is our product?
14.
So then 7 times 2 equals 14. What would 2 times 7 equal? 14. All I did was flip-flop those factors. Still equals the same product. All right. Go ahead and put your tiles back in your baggies.